Hello students, today we are going to solve second problem of structural steel. Question is given as fire resistant steels are also called as. Now the first option is stainless steel, next one is weathering steel, next one is high strength steel, and the last one is thermomechanically treated steel. Now we know that fire resistant steels are also called as thermomechanically treated steel. They perform better than ordinary steel under fire. So option D is the correct answer for this question. That is all about this problem. Thank you very much, students.